Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we'll be learning how to create an app using ChatGPT. We'll be creating a simple calculator and publishing it on the Google Play Store. You need zero knowledge about coding or app development for this tutorial. So, stay with us and watch the video until the end. Let's start. First, open ChatGPT and type a simple prompt. Write a code for a basic calculator using Python. This will be the code it generates. Then, ask ChatGPT to add a user interface to it. This will be the answer it provides. Next, we'll be using Python to run this code. Either download Python using your browser or search for it using ChatGPT. Then, click on the link and download the latest version of Python 3. After the download is complete, search for Python idle. Create a new file and copy the code over there. Run the code successfully. To turn the code into an APK file, we'll need to use Android Studio. After that, you can upload the calculator app on the Google Play Store. To set up your Google Play Store account, you'll need to sign up and pay a $25 sign-up fee. After that, you're ready to earn money through your app by using Google AdSense. And that's it. By following these steps, you can upload your calculator app to the Google Play Store and start earning money. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.